two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Binance account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Visit the Binance website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you are on the official site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Security tab in a menu to access your security options. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You will typically have the option to use either SMS or an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering the required information and completing the setup, make sure to confirm and save your changes. You may need to enter a verification code sent to your chosen method to finalize the process. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Binance account, enhancing your security. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated if you change your phone or number.